Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating this amazing button pulse animation with HTML and CSS. It's gonna be a fun project. If this is your first time right here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's open VS Code now and start creating the project from scratch. Inside VS Code, I'm gonna create two files. I'm gonna create index.html and I'm gonna create style.css. Inside the index, I will generate my boilerplate, and for the title, I will call this button pulse animation. And inside the body, we will just have a simple href. So I'm going to say href, and that's going to be hash. And for the class, I will say class equal to button. And here we'll say learn more. Okay. And now I'm going to link the CSS file. So I'm going to say link CSS, and we're going to start styling this right now. So inside the style CSS, we're going to do a basic reset. So I'm going to say star, and I'm going to say box sizing, border box, margin 0, and padding 0. After that, we will style the body. I will say body. We're going to give this body a width of 100% and height of 100 VH. Display will be flex, align item center, and we will justify the content to the center. And we're gonna give the body also a background of hexadecimal 23, 25, 35. And we're gonna say font family Arial, Helvetica, Sans Serif. Then we're gonna style our buttons. I'm going to say dot button, the class name of button. We're going to say display inline block. We will give this button a color of white, and also we'll say text decoration none. We're going to say font size of 24 pixels, padding of 20 pixels top and bottom and 50 pixels left and right. We're going to say border 3 pixel solid hexadecimal 3 C 6 7 E3, and we're going to say border radius. So border radius will be 10 pixels. After that, when we hover over the button, we will run animation. So I'm going to say dot button semicolon hover, and we're going to say animation. We're going to call this animation pulse, and it's going to be 1 second is, I have a typo here, so animation, I'm going to call this pulsate 1 second is in out. And after that, we will create this animation using keyframes. So I'm going to say keyframes pulsate, and basically what this will do, we'll say 0%, and then we're going to give this a box shadow of 0.025 pixels, hexadecimal 5 DDC FF, and we're going to say comma. We're going to say also 0.050 pixels, hexadecimal 4E00C2. Alright, and with that, our styling is done, and we can save and open this with live server, and we're gonna see our output right here. And whenever I hover over this button, we will see this nice pulsating animation which we have done using HTML and CSS. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure you subscribe and recommend to a friend. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you again in the next videos.